Presenting the 2011 Hyundai Sonata SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver and front passenger advanced front airbags, engine immobilizer feature, front and rear side air curtains, front outboard side impact airbags, keyless entry integrated anti-theft system and panic latch child safety seat anchors and tethers, 104-watt 6-speaker sound system, 12-volt auxiliary power outlets, air conditioning and exterior temperature display. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.